Guys, here we are again, back at Lonsdale. Love this place. Essentially, the wind's not really perfect for this spot. It's sort of going southwesterly today, but it does have this really big slope that I like to do because I'm going to Maiden the Floonda today, and we're gonna do it in a nice safe area. I don't have a motor for it, and therefore, you know, it is what it is really. Let's just see if she takes off. Alright, it's time to get our little travel pack. What we got here? Spare tape for damages, transmitter, and just a spare little battery in there. Just a real quick one today. Let's get the Floonda. Here she is. Have a look at her. Yeah, let's see how she goes. Will she go up? Will she be in pieces? You never know. So usually we will launch over in that little spot there. We may still do after the Maiden, but what we're going to do is we're going to fly over this sort of slope here, and because the wind is coming from that direction, and there should be enough clearing here to sort of get a bit of air. I don't know, but I just want to check how she behaves first before we chuck her off of some cliffs. So we'll see how we go. Yeah, there's not enough wind here. Alright, let's try again. I don't know. The wind is totally in the wrong direction in this section. Maybe we need to go in that little... We need to go in that spot. Just go nuts and just do it. Oh no! Stole too much elevator then. We can't do too much elevator. Something's wrong with that bit there. Better check that. Well, I think we can't do this today because I mistakenly didn't bring any tools today, and that one's loose. So yeah. Oh, and we got a crack in the fuse there from a couple of crashes that we've done, so we've got to fix that. Totally fixable, of course, but we won't risk her anymore today, and we'll just keep it at that. Fly her another time. Alright. The Floonda is not successful for the moment. Bit of lift, so that's good. And let's go. Oh boy. Ah, okay. Up, down, left, right, yeah. Yeah, here we go. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. Look at this lift here. Look at this lift here. Oi! works really well. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful there. It's just beautiful in there. Like, oh, look at that. And more rudder rather than like aileron, I'm finding. Smoother. Yeah. And then once we come down here, it puts here either. Rudder turn. Turbulent down the back. It's very turbulent in the back there, so look at this lift. Holy heck, look at that. I'm not doing anything there. That's it. That's winds holding it there. Yeah, and then